it's going to be Toastmaster Mukesh, Transporter, Toastmaster Mukesh.
Wondering if you wouldn't mind transporting something for me.
No questions asked. Why not?
From the maker of The Professional and La Femme Nikita.
Once we make a deal, the terms of that deal cannot be changed or renegotiated.
Frank Martin is the best in the business.
75,000. Half now, half on delivery.
He never made a mistake until today.
What kind of date am I in?
Deep trouble.
You know what to do. Just be quiet. Why'd you try to kill me?
You broke the rules. You opened the package.
The Transporter.
Toastmaster Mukesh, Transporter, Toastmaster Mukesh.
How many of you know the roles of a Toastmasters Club's executive committee? So there are 7 positions, right? So how many of you know them? Most of us. So in our home club, we have an additional role in Infi Toastmasters Club. It's fashionably called Transporter, but what it actually means, the club chauffeur. So today, I'm going to talk about this transportation business of mine, and I'm going to make an offer you just can't refuse. Mr. Contest Chair and my prospective clients. It all started at Infi Toastmasters Club. So I used to send a mail to the club. Okay guys, there's this meeting going on in Virtusa TCS, so let's go, let's support them. Everybody pretended to be busy. Nobody used to come. So I started adding a line at the end of the mail. Transportation will be arranged. And people started flocking the car. So much so that sometimes we used to outnumber the home club members of the club. And our club luncheons, long drives and parties, everything used to be scheduled based on the calendar of the driver. And sometimes I used to make multiple rounds to deliver the package. So I thought, it's not done. I have to learn to fly my car in the air. So I stay in Hill Ridge. So every night I used to go to Outer Ring Road and started driving my car in the air. So people used to call my car Ferrari, my club members. So I finally learned how to drive Ferrari in the air. So yeah, considering my outstanding contributions to Toastmasters movement in Hyderabad, recently I was promoted to area chauffeur. So my first role was we all division leaders went to Delhi for the OTP. So my role which was given to me was I have to receive all the division leaders from the airport, take them to the venue and transport them to the pub and receive them again the next day. So this was what I had to do. This was my role defined in the club. And Prasad Soni, he recently came to the division conference and Harsh asked me to transport him from the airport to the hotel here. And Prasad Soni was so impressed with my driving in the air that he offered me the position of district driver. Rule number 1, Ferrari flies in the air. Now the second reason, multitask in the car. So we all do multitasking. So we change the CD or we sip a Coke, we have a snack, we write speeches, we prepare speeches in the car. When my clients saw me doing all of them at the same time, they discovered God. So impressed by my multitasking and my flying in the air, Vijay Mallya recently offered me a job. So we know that there is issue going on with the Kingfisher licenses, right? So we started a new venture called King Ferrari. So the car flies in the air and there will be a King Ferrari services from Hyderabad to all the cities in the day. There will be 3 passengers in the back seat and there will be an air hostess in the adjacent seat. I never believed in the saying that when you start loving your job, you don't have to work another day in your life. I'm not going to work another day in my life. So for these two reasons, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to make a business proposition. Now we have a major event coming up in Toastmasters next year. So my offer to the conference chair and the division governors and all the conference chairs is, please make me a chauffeur or the vice president transportation of Oration. So we are going to Kolkata, right? So we can project this there as a flyer. Do you believe in God? If they believe in God, by the time I transport them from the airport to the hotel, they believe in the power, they discover the power of prayer. And if they don't believe in God, they'll start believing in God. Another reason is we can save a lot of money, because for transporting people, we expect so many guests. So we have to arrange a lot of cabs or buses or something like that. No, I'll take care of everything. Just sponsor by the petrol in my car and my petrol, and transportation will be taken care of. And also in a fun night, sometimes some of us dance and some of us don't, because some of us are shy to shake a leg. I'll ensure that everybody's body is shaking in my car. For these two reasons, ladies and gentlemen, please make me the chauffeur of Oration. And if you want to reach me, you can project that symbol in the air, like Batman, and I'll reach you. Or you can reach me at this credentials. Do you believe in God? Callme.com. Mr. Contest.